Hi, good night, everybody. It is the 1st of September 2025. I'm going to go through a little lab here with you, explaining how to use DNSMASQ. Okay, I have a router, an IOL router, an IOL switch, DNSMASQ, NetTools, and an Alpine Linux box. Okay, let's start by looking at the DNSMASQ. When you first click on a DNSMASQ, you will see, and go to config, you will see the host file. I put these addresses in here. Everything is static. There's no DHCP, so that I could find wherever nodes are in the network. If you click here, you can go down. You can see the DNSMASQ config. There's no need to change this. There's no need to change this. Let me remove my picture. So here is the DNSMASQ config file. You don't need to change this. Boot sh script should have the static IP for DNSMASQ and a default route. The default route is not really needed, but it should have the static IP. Okay, we're going to take a look at NetTools. There's a boot sh script. It should have the IP address, if you're not using DHCP, a static IP. And I echoed name server 192.168.1.2, which is the address of DNSMASQ, to etc resolve.conf. That's where all the name servers going on Linux and on these Docker containers too. Okay, you can see all the DNS addresses there. I put them so that I know where I'm going. So if I go to the Alpine box, log in, Cisco, and I ping. Let me do something here. Okay, you can see everything now. You must specify that you're using IP version 4. Let's ping IOL 0. You can see there was a query and a response. It's pinging the DNS name for IOL 0. Okay, so it says here in the A record that you are querying IOL 0 from 192.168.1.4. 192.168.1.4 is the Alpine box which we're on right now. Do if config. You can do if config or IP add, whichever one you want to. And you can see that the Alpine box is 1.4. So you're querying from 1.4 this IOL 0, and it checks the host file, and it comes back with 192.168.1.1, and that is what you get when you ping. If I did not specify, if I did not specify IP version 4, this is what you will get. It will check IP version 6 quadruple A, and it will not ping. So you must specify IP version 4 to get it to work. Let's try it with something else. Tools. So that works too. And it says that the address for the net tools is 1.3. Okay, it's very simple. There's no need to hurt your head configuring DNSMASQ. Just leave the config file like it is, and it should work. Everybody should know by now that DNS uses port 53 if you do a packet capture. Start this. Stop. Download. So we get a source port and the destination port of 53. Source port is 45936. There are two packets being sent back and forth with the query and the query response. You can dig in deeper. I'll save that for another video. It works just like DNS. Okay? Like a regular DNS server, but it uses the host file. Okay, that's all I'm going to do tonight. Feel free to like and subscribe to my page in YouTube. That's it for now. I'm going to take it easy.